welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a look using the James Charles palette just because the mini one came out and I know a lot of you guys got it, so I just wanted to do something with the palette just to celebrate that. So I'm starting off by doing a cut crease, a full one this time. I'm going to take the shade Cola and I'm going to start patting that on my crease. As you can see, I have my little elf strips going on, so I can have a guideline as to where to start and where to stop as well. So the next shade we're going to take is the shade Daddy, and I'm going to start blending that a little bit over the Cola shade. And as you can see, I did switch my brush into a very small tapered blending one, and switching brushes, especially the sizes of the brushes, do make a difference, so you want to make sure that you're using the right one. Next shade we're going to take is the shade Social Blade, and I really like this color. This is a really nice pretty color from the palette, and that's going to be blended over the Daddy shade, also using the same brush. So going back in with those three shades, we're just going to go ahead and re-intensify each of the colors and just blend it out even more so everything looks more seamless. I like to start in the order that I went with. So as you can see here, I started off with the Cola shade, or Cola. I don't know why I keep saying Cola. The Cola shade, and then I'll move in with the Daddy shade and then the Social Blade shade. Taking the shade Ring Light, I'm just going to go ahead and quickly put that on my brow bone. And now it's time to cut the crease. I'm taking my 16-Hour Camo by e.l.f. in medium sand, and I'm just going to go ahead and take my time doing this. Doing cut creases and full cut creases, you want to make sure you have the time, because this is not a one swipe type of thing. You can't just like rush it, and as you can see here, I'm doing it like kind of one section at a time, and I've been doing cut creases for quite a while now, so like I said, don't rush it or else it's not going to come out cute. Now I took the shade Flashback and I'm just going to use that to help me set the concealer. So going back to those three shades, I'm just going to go ahead and take a liner brush and I'm going to create a wing liner using those shadows. And I'm just going to go ahead and go from darkest to lightest. And you also want to make sure that you go back and do a couple of layers, because I believe it's because of the white that I put down, but it's not showing up as vibrant as they could be. So yeah, just make sure you do a couple of layers of that. One eye done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera. Ta-da! And now it's time to work on the face. I'm using my Maybelline Master Stick Primer. This helps with oil and big pores. I'm oily to combination, so my T-zone is always the worst for me. And then I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way in Golden Beige. I haven't used this foundation in a hot minute. And I'm just going to apply that to my face and blend it out with my Real Technique Beauty Sponge. For concealer, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Bisque. I'm just going to apply that under my eyes, forehead, and chin. Then I'm also blending it out using my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. For powder, I am taking my Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder in translucent, and I'm just going to use that to set my face. For bronzer, I am taking the Milani Baked Bronzer in Dolce, and I'm just going to use that to bronze up my face. Like I said in my previous videos, I really love this foundation. We're gonna add a little bit of pop to the look, to the face, a little bit of blush, and we're taking the Morphe Blush Trio in Pop the Rose, using that first shade only, and we're just gonna apply it to the cheeks. So going back in with those 3 shades, we're just going to work on the bottom lash line. So I'm just going to do the same. I'm going to go dark to lightest. So starting off with the Cola shade, and then Daddy shade, and then the last shade. I'm taking the Garnier Hydrating Facial Mist, and then I'm also going to put some mascara on off camera. I'm using a Maybelline one, and then some lashes off camera as well, and then that will complete the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more videos like this.